35 divided by 5, with 5 plus 2 in parentheses. The grouping tells us where to start, so we go inside the parentheses first. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Now fold that result back into the expression. When a number sits next to parentheses, it represents multiplication. So we're left with 35 divided by 5 times 7. This is the point where many people make a quick assumption. First, they recall the order of operations, PEMDAS or BODMAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Here they treat multiplication as if it has higher priority. So they do this. 5 times 7 equals 35. That turns the expression into 35 divided by 35, which gives 1. Clean result, but wrong logic. The issue is in the sequence of operations. The mistake happens because the rule that completes this order is missed. Multiplication and division share equal priority. Neither outranks the other. And when they appear together, you proceed from left to right. So let's proceed the right way from here. Start at the left edge. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Bring the remaining 7 down. 7 times 7 equals 49. That's the correct answer. 49, not 1.